Good Friday, everyone. I hope your holiday weekend is going well and that you haven't overstuffed yourself too much. I think I've done a pretty good job myself. But anyway, looking at our daily weather map for today, we see lots of showers and unsettled weather across the eastern portion of the U.S., especially the southeastern portions of the country. Do keep in mind that this weather map runs from 7 a.m. Saturday to 7 a.m. Sunday, so much of the rain that you see across Tennessee and Kentucky and so on is for tonight. So they're showing the rain that's going to be moving in tonight, and I'll show you more about that in a 5-day outlook here in just a moment. Flash flood risk across the portions of the Gulf Coast, and then snowflakes are flying across the west. Looking at our 5-day forecast, today's looking good. Highs in the low 60s. Clouds will be increasing as we go through the day. You'll also feel that breeze kicking up by evening as well. And then that becomes a downright gusty wind overnight. Wind gusts to 25, possibly 30 miles per hour overnight with a 100% chance of rain. Don't be surprised if you hear a rumble of thunder. Severe thunderstorms not expected. Sunday, rain showers, especially in the morning, and wind. Wind gusts throughout the day could top out 20 miles an hour or better. Highs in the mid-50s. And then Sunday night, just a slight chance for a shower as a new disturbance slides through. Rain chance only about 20% as temperatures drop down to around 40. Monday looking great. A little cooler than what we've seen in the last few days, but still looking good. Tuesday, we get ready for our next big storm system. This is a very powerful storm system that'll be blowing in here. Just a slight chance for an isolated shower Tuesday evening before rain chances and wind really pick up Tuesday night. Again, wind gusts 25, 30 miles an hour, rumbles of thunder. Wednesday, rain and thunder, possibly a strong thunderstorm. I'll keep a close eye on that. Highs in the mid to upper 50s. And then Wednesday night right now looking partly cloudy and colder. Lows in the mid to upper 20s, with just a slight chance for a sprinkle or a snow flurry. I will say that rainfall amounts with tonight's system have trended downward a bit. We didn't need to see that because we need the rain. It had looked like widespread amounts of around an inch for tonight. It now looks like widespread rainfall amounts of around a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch. So at least we're still going to get some rain, just not as much as maybe we had hoped for. But we'll see, because there are some heavier downpours within this complex of rain and storms that's moving in. So maybe some of us will get lucky and get a good rain out of all this. So our daily hazards, just be safe after dark tonight. Thumbs up today, weather looking great. And then tonight, wet roads, windy conditions, just not a good night to be out. Morning wet roads on Sunday, and then we're quiet until Tuesday where we do it all over again. Thumbs up during the day, and then overnight, wind and rain could make some for rough travel. And then Wednesday, we'll look for wet roads and possible strong storms. I'll keep an eye on that. This is our accumulated rainfall for the next 5 days. So as you can see, the heavier rain stays just to our south across northern Alabama, northern Georgia. So that's close. It's not impossible that could drift northward just a bit. But right now, we're looking for widespread amounts over the next 5 days of around an inch or so. But it looks like Saturday night to Sunday, around a ½ inch. On this day in 1925, an F3 tornado touched down near Charlotte, just west of Nashville. 2 farms 6 miles apart lost buildings. 2-story log home blown apart. Logs driven into the ground 100 yards away. So that thing wasn't messing around. Those log homes are sturdy. And then in 1789, the first national Thanksgiving in the U.S. took place. A very special day indeed. Well, you folks have a wonderful day and keep looking up. And I'll keep you all updated on both here and on the blog as we get closer to our event tonight. I don't think there's anything big deal to worry about. Just look for some wet roads and some gusty winds. I'll probably do a blog update sometime later this evening. Other than that, you folks have a wonderful day and keep looking up.